People, welcome at Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, telling all the time, anybody can react to things. And the problem with the reacting is, oftentimes, it's too late. Today I'm going to tell them about a war that is brewing. Right. That's being told. I'm going to tell you who involved. We know the individual them already. Right, you hear me talk about the Termite. You have no Tesha by now. They're on the verge of clashing. Spanish Town is looking spooky, even though no people can't see it yet because they shot them aside fire yet. I'm going to talk about it. Before we go into that, I have a Patreon radio shout out to Shadow, aka the Mixter. Right. Today, I'm Earth Strong, right, in Born Day. Right. Shadow, big up yourself. You don't know, literally years now. Right. Long time supporter, long time Patreon squad member. Right. Hope you enjoy yourself. Right. You know we have plan. Whatever it is, enjoy it safely. Right. Make it back home in one piece. Remember them 7 chicken Mary out in here. Too much people are go out and enjoy themselves or celebrate things. And by the end of the evening, or celebrating or go on or morning. A shadow. Right. Big up yourself. Right. Live long and prosper. See? More life. Let me get back to the video. Top Banks versus Dela. Termite versus Tisha. It's looking spooky. As the song go, war is in the air whenever clansmen are around, or something like that. You see, recently, large group of 87s pull up in a Spain town, right, and start left some messages to not just business places, not those taxi man and people the boss man, but also, right, to some people who them know, right, I go care about the message to Top Banks. Basically, they will make it known say, Dela is back, Tesha is back, right, and them want to carry things back to the old ways. The people them who them send the message them to if you get back to, Termite boys them. Let me say them want to reach, at least them want to reach Termite. They want to complain say, right, Termite faction basically have a stranglehold for Spain Town. Termite who at one point, right, obviously would have been an 87 to Tesha who would have been a 90. Right. Yes, Master Termite, I get too big. Right. Not just that. Termite and Tickman them a link. That's one order. So now them reach even greater. Dela man them not pleased. Right. They will make it known say the business place them, taxi man them, right, even Termite them, I forgot start share about the town. That right there, so let's just say 87s are not known, right, for them negotiating skills. So it's not like say they were asking nicely. When I make it known say, man I go dead, and one of that bus park of a dead business place I get shut up. All kind of things. Them a complain say, I mean I talk about the Dela man them, Tesha man them. A complain say as Termite faction I get bigger and bigger, them I get more and more arms up because that's what 87s do. That's how gangs work. Right. They make more money to buy more gun, right, putting on more 87s on, right, and can dominate, right, their rivals and intimidate the civilians even more. We never wonder how come you see a gang and make how much millions upon millions upon millions upon millions from extortion and all kind of things. And the 87s them, even the 90 themselves. It's not like say them elevating to, they're surrounded by wealth and prosperity and peace. Because the goal of making more money is to buy more gun, buy more shot, a lot more ends, wipe out more enemies. Right? It's like a football team. When Manchester United collect more revenues, what them do with the money? Right? They buy more players. They improve their stadium. They improve their training facilities so they can win more games. Right? Everything is about, the goal is to dominate football. They want to win trophy. That's how badness work. The gang make more money so it can buy more gun, buy more shot. Just like how Man U want to buy more players and bring in some managers. Right? It's the same. Everything is towards furtherance of the goal. Man U's goal is to score a goal and win trophy. Clansman, one other than them gang, the goal is to dominate the ground, quote unquote, run the place. And then the perks them will come with that. This can get very ugly. But we don't know that by now. Unless we don't know the real ugly face of Spain Town. At least when it get ugly. It can be a nice place, but when it get ugly, right? If you're a patu, all time people say ugly like patu, right? When Spain Town get ugly, it come like a patu. Right? One of the reasons why Tesha and Dela man never get so strong up is because they're now getting back some 87s who kind of left the street. Some of them didn't even left town, as in left Spain Town and gone some rural place a little low, but now they might come back. Central to this is somebody who did a video on already, which then called Wormy. Yes, the same Wormy from the Charmaine Ratchery and Joe Lynch case. The same Wormy will take out the woman head, right? But did not go prison feed. He's one of the few who get to it. Now that Tesha get back Wormy and a few old 87s, they're feeling confident again. They say the younger 87s them can bust go and shoot people too. But enough of them not really war proven. The gang war proven. People like Wormy, them know how them think they work. They've been a part of many gang wars, have the experience. So when time them here say, do this, now I have to tell them twice. So Wormy is a major asset to Tesha since his return. Next thing, one man start link with the next man. Right? Wormy's, quote unquote, ratings in our clans make him now can reach out back to other man and say, yo, if we link back with the Don we'll take back over the thing, And man say, alright. And then so who else out there? And it's like, short so and then link a third man because them know all of the 87s them and know some man a lay low or a man over here, some man over here. So start to reassemble them team. But they telling us that Termite's meteoric rise as a quote unquote Don was going to have further impact. Because enough of the people them who him used to take talk from are going to find it really hard to accept that Termite now in charge. People like Tesha, black man, Tesha uncle, are going to find it hard to accept that Termite is now some kind of quote unquote equal in a them eyes. Right. The man are going to start sending message. Man are going to start making known so that can't go on. When you think Tesha did done? I tell them already say, they might try everything them can to get him back on the road. I don't know which book I have to go get cooked. Right. I don't know which document you have to go use to leak. I don't know what kind of file you have to go use to get mad. But they might try everything to get him back on the road. Tesha really their main choice, their number one choice. Termite are the biggest faction right now. So, Termite them, I got either. Right? I agree. And I say, alright, old time's sake. You can't take it this up. Or, I'm gonna say, your time up, we are on the place, and all hell go broke loose. Now, the business place them, taxi place them, or taxi man them, boss man them, right? Them have to go likely pay to Tesha them too. Right? You see, what enough people never know is, it got to a stage in the Klansman war, cause people think say, the whole Tesha versus Black Man thing was all about extortion money. After a while, you know what the business place them start do? When taxi man them start do? Pay money to both sides. But the war was continuing. You know why? Retaliation. If one faction come to you and say, run money, or else, and the next faction come to you and say, run money, or else, that business space or that taxi man, I will give both of them the money. Because there's no guarantees the next side will protect you. Because the next side is being slaughtered anyway. They might kill off each other. So, more than likely, I expect the business place them to give in. But what is going to be interesting to see is if Termite them give in. You know badness guy already, you know the ego thing already. They all look like saying a man bad them up and make them and figure over this. That's a major business with from now. So the people and the authorities them can be proactive. Spanish Town people head always there on obstacles. So them people, especially the older people, remember the older days, them know for be vigilant, but maybe some youngsters or people who just go Spanish Town, you know, so just keep an eye out the bus man. As for the authorities, them security forces, them, unfortunately, as we've seen in the past, sometimes when police, the Spanish Town man, them still carry out them killing. Right, so awareness, I give to you. This one, right, is bubbling and it might boil over. Hopefully Termite them, well, know them tune in, you know, Dela man them tune in. But if that war start, it will not be like the old days. The man could just easily go shoot people in a bus park and then go back on the night that. Termite or Tisha. Best thing we can tell them is, let cooler heads prevail. Anyway, there's a Klansman who was recently on the trial. Anti-gang, him gone missing. The badness seen from last week. When we get certain confirmations, drop the video there, but look like another one. Right. He's no longer walking this earth, but we'll wait for some confirmation. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.